My name's Diane Dutton and I run the Funny Sneezers support group. Well, we do exactly what it says on the tin. We support people that have got funny sneezes and all the trials and the tribulations that go with that, and obviously the stigma that's attached to it.
My name is Damien, and because of my funny sneeze I once had to be escorted out of a christening.
My name's Nigel. I went viral as the man who sneezed down a trombone at the Salvation Army concert.
Hi, I'm Ethan, and when I sneeze, I wicker like a newborn foal.
So we start off by going round the circle and introducing ourselves, before sharing the anecdotes that comes with funny sneezes, clockwise. A lot of people really struggle with the funny sneezes, especially during the summer months.
June's always a write-off due to hay fever. I once spent the whole of Whitsun break in a soundproof booth.
I'm Graham, I'm the group assistant. I'm also the husband of the lovely Diane. It was actually sneezing that brought us together because we were queuing for photo development in the Kodak shop, and well, we bonded over our chews. So it pays £1 a week, which covers the cost of Kleenex. The pub gives us the space for free as long as people buy drinks at the bar, and we disinfect the seats afterwards. There's nothing particularly funny about my sneeze. I'll always do more than 2 in a row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Peter used to come here the funniest of sneezers, but he's stopped coming since he got bopped in the nose at a karaoke night. He's never sneezed the same since, thanks to that drunken interruption of American Pie.
It's great because it's an escape from the judgment and ridicule. Unlike back in school when you couldn't get through one single break time without having a dandelion wafted underneath your nostrils.
Yeah, they had to change the times throughout the year that the sessions were held because the sunlight coming in the window was setting people off. 1 week, 2 years ago, they forgot, the clocks had gone back, and a cloud moved out of the way and it set off half the circle. It was absolute mayhem. It was like a snotty bonfire night.
My name's Bethany, and when I sneeze, it sounds like the Emmerdale theme tune.
We've never actually heard a sneeze. Some of us are doubtful about the Emmerdale thing.
Some people come every week. Some people just come as and when they need it. You know, if they've got a cold or they've recently sniffed some pepper. Sometimes we get a substantial intake of students, you know, if there's been a big bout of freshers' flu, but they're usually petered out by October.
With me, it's the lead up to the sneeze that's the funny bit.
This isn't the only support group that we run. We also run a funny yawn support group on a Tuesday. Due to the infectious nature of the yawn though, the circle has to face outwards.
I go to both sessions.
I couldn't contain it when I was on the Ferris wheel.
I'm going to keep running this support group for as long as people need it. As long as there are noses, which to be fair, I think there will be for some time, then there'll always be funny sneezes.
If you enjoyed that bit of silliness, then why not subscribe to the channel? You're on YouTube, you know where the button is, I don't know which way to point. Just subscribe, loads of videos, sketches, songs, all that kind of rubbish. Also follow the Facebook page for all the latest updates. There's a link in the description.